Good morning, student. Today we will start new chapter, that is lesson number 6, division. In this part we will discuss the terms of division and what we have done in previous class. So let's start. See this clown. Clown is having balloons. How many balloons this clown is having? He is having 12 balloons. Now what he is doing? He is making groups of 3 balloons. Clear? Firstly, from the total balloons, that is 12, I will minus 3 balloons and tie 3 balloons here. See, he is doing. Clear? So 12 minus 3, how much come? 9. So how many balloons left? 9. Now, this clown is again making a group of 3 balloons. And now how many balloons left with him? Yes. From 9, if I minus 3 balloons, now how many left? 6. So clown is having how many balloons now? 6. Now again he take out 3 more balloons, mean equal balloons he is taking in every step. And now how many balloons left with him? Yes, 3, because he tied 3 balloons here, means 6 minus 3, here come 3, and here left how many balloons? 3. Clear? Now again this clown in the last group, again he tied the left one balloon. How many balloons left with him? 3. So he tied 3 balloons. Now see, 3 minus 3, what come? 0. So he is, see, all the balloons he tied on the road. Clear? Now how many steps he did this? He has done this thing in 4 steps. Mean 4 steps he has divided equal number of balloons. What means he has done equal grouping or equal distribution of given quantity. Given quantity is 12 balloons and he did equal grouping, means he did equal grouping of balloons. Clear? Now it means the process of repeated subtraction. What I have done here for doing equal grouping, I have done repeated subtraction. And you know, student, the process of repeated subtraction is called division. Now see here, how many balloons I am having in the starting? I have 12 balloons. And how many groups I have made? This thing we don't know, but each group is having how many balloons? 3. So it means I have divided 12 balloons with 3. Clear? 12 balloons with 3. When I divided, how many groups I got? 4. Clear? You know what we call these term in division? Let's discuss. Firstly, this 12, a biggest number, you know what we call it? Dividend. The number which we divide in the division chapter, we call it dividend. See, 12 is a dividend. Clear? Now see this 3, by which we divide the biggest number, we call it divisor. So 3 is a divisor. Clear? Now see what the answer come, we call it quotient. The answer we get on dividing the number we call quotient. Clear? Now what we call this number? 0. What left here is called remainder. Clear? Here I know 0 left, but sometime 2 left, 3 left, we call that numbers remainder. So the number that remain after dividing, we call it remainder. Clear? Now student, we do first question. Find the quotient using tables. See, I have written one question here. 72 divided by 8. When we will divide it, first thing student you have to do is write the table in rough work. Means you have to draw a line in your copy like this manner and write a table as I have written of 8. Because we have to divide by 8, so write the table. Now see, 72 comes in which position in 8 table? See, here it comes. Now you count the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes on 9. So 8 9s are 72. Clear? Now see another question. 81 divided by 9. When I divide 81 by 9, I will see what? Here are table written. Again I have written the table. You have to write the table also. And now in 9 table 81 come in 9th position. So here come 9. Clear? Now we will do another question. Here you have to find the quotient by long division method. Here number is given 396 divided by 4. When I start dividing, firstly I will write the table as I written. Now you will write 4 outside and 396 in the bracket. Now firstly 3 is the smaller than 4. So we will take firstly 2 numbers. So 39. Now we will find out which number is closer to 39 and smallest also. That is 36. 36 come in which position? 9. So I will write 9 here and 36 here. 39 minus 36 what come? 3. So I will write 3. Now I will take another number from up. So 6 will come here. Now see 36 again come in which position? 9. So 9 will come here and 36 here. 36 minus 36 what come? 0. You can write 0 also, x also. It means 0 only. Clear? Now we do another question. 797 divided by 6. When student we divide 797 by 6, what answer come? When I divide, firstly I write a table as I have written here. Clear? Now 7 is bigger than 6. It means it comes in 6 table. So 6 ones are 6. So I will write 1 here and 6 here. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 here. 1 is smaller than 6. So I will take another number from up. 9 will come here. 19 minus 18. Because in 6 table 18 come in third position. So I will write 3 here, 18 here. 19 minus 18 what come? 1. So I will write 1 and I will take 7 from up. 17 minus 12 what come? 5. So I will write 5 here. Clear? And here come 2. Clear? So quotient is 132. So what quotient come here? 132. I will write 132 quotient as an answer. Clear? Now see. Here are 4-digit number. And this 4-digit number we have to divide by single digit. It is same like the previous question. Firstly, I will write a rough column. And there I will write the table. In every question you have to write the table. Now you divide it. 4416 divided by 5. Now see. 4 is smaller than 5. So I will take 44. Now see which number is closer and smaller than 44. That is 40. So I will write 40 here. 44 minus 40 what come? 4. So I will take 1 from up. Now here come 8 and again 8 come. 41 minus 40 what come? 1. So I will write 1 and 6 from up I will take. Now 16 minus 15 what come? 1 and here come 3. So what quotient come here? Yes. Quotient is 883. Clear? They have not asked the remainder. Clear? So I will write only quotient here as an answer. Clear? Now see another question. 8306 you have to divide by 4. Firstly I have written the table. Now I will write 4 outside and 8306 inside. Now in 4 table 8 come in which position? 2. So I write 2 here and 8 here. 8 minus 8 is 0. I will take which number? Next number here, 3. Now see 3 is smaller than 4. But you know that 4 zeros are 0. Clear? So this 1 0 I will write here and 1 0 I will write here. So when I minus it, I will get again 3. Now I will take another 0 down. Clear? Now in 4 table we will see the number which is smaller than 30, that is 28. I will write 28 here and here I will write 7 because 28 come in 7th position. Now 30 minus 28 what come? 2. I will take 6 from up it becomes 26. 26 minus 24, what come? 2. And here I will write 6. So quotient is 2076. Clear?